everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial, basically I was getting a lot of requests to do a tutorial for those who wear specs. So I thought let's do it. So in this video I'm going to be sharing this look which is perfect if you wear specs. So yeah, if you're interested in this tutorial then please keep on watching, but before that don't forget to like, share and comment and also subscribe to my channel, hit that bell icon. So now without further ado, let's get started with the video. So I can totally feel you guys जिनको specs लगी है, like, so let's just remove it first. And also I'm wearing lenses जो मुझे खुद नहीं पता क्यों. So to start with, I'm gonna use this Nivea moisturizer. So this will be an everyday look for all of those who wear glasses. And for my dry ass skin, I need this Prettyco Botox in a bottle oil. You know how much I love this one. Little bit. And for my lips, I'm going to use this Baby Lips from Maybelline. These are very pigmented. So now that my skin is all prepped, we're going to start with our makeup. So first, to get a dewy sort of base, I'm going to use this PAC Strobe Cream. So I like to apply it on my cheeks, chin, bridge of my nose, in my center, the center of my forehead. I like to dab it. Keeping this tutorial affordable, I'm going to use this Blue Heaven primer. Apply it on the areas where I have pores. So for foundation, I'm going to wear this Flicka Blend and Shine foundation. And this is something which I recently got. And this is affordable also. So this totally depends on you whether you want to go with the concealer or with the foundation. And to blend it, I'm going to use a flat brush first to get like a smooth finish. So हम इसे अच्छे से पूरे फेस पर फाउंडेशन को blend करेंगे. And to now further blend it, I'm going to use a damp sponge. And you can clearly see how smooth and flawless it looks. So next I'm going to use a concealer too. So I'm just going to take a very little amount of it. So I'm going to use this Insight concealer. And I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. And also on my lids. On the spot. That's it. No more concealer. And to blend it, I'm going to use the same sponge. And you can clearly see how balanced and flawless it looks, and at the same time it looks very natural. So now I set it, I'm going to use this Fit Me Compact. I love this one. I'm just going to set my under eyes and my lids, around my nose, area around my mouth, and also this spot. So next, to get a natural within kind of a glow from my skin, I'm going to use this tint. This is from like Cuddly Skin by Vidhi, like Cuddle Skin by Vidhi, like this, because it's very runny. So, and it's very natural. Like if you look at my hands, it's slightly tinted. So इतना ही ग्लो है इसका. मैं जनरली से जब मैं मेकअप नहीं वेयर करती, मैं तभी इसे अप्लाई करती हूँ, because it gives me that slight blushed look. I don't think tint will gonna show. Even ये मेरे स्पॉन्ज पे आ गया. So tint तो शो नहीं हो रहा. So I'm gonna take this lipstick from Milani. So you can take any lipstick that you have. Apply on the areas which I like to see blushed. Yep, I'm gonna blend it. So for my brows, I'm gonna take this. This is the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. You know I only use this. So I'm just gonna define my brows. Basically, you guys didn't mention कि आपको कैसा look चाहिए if you wear glasses. So मैं तभी बहुत everyday look कर रही हूँ कि because I think जब आप function में जाते हो तो normally we don't wear glasses. So I'm just gonna use a Sugar Face palette and I'm gonna take this darker color and मैं इसे as a transition shade use करूँगी. So हम अपनी crease पर, crease के ऊपर इसे अच्छे से blend कर देंगे. ताकि डेफिनेशन मिल जाए हमारे क्रीज को। I'm gonna take this pink shade एंड बहुत लाइटली इसे पूरे क्रीज पे अप्लाई करूंगी जस्ट टू गेट अ बिट ऑफ रोजीनेस। So now I'm gonna take this Lakme Iconic liner. Next I'm gonna take this Flicka kajal. I really love this kajal and I've been using this constantly now. I'm gonna apply some like on my outer corners and gonna blend it using a pointed brush. थोड़ा सा brown shadow लेंगे like so. So next I'm gonna take this white kajal pencil to open up my eyes. Basically specs पहनोगे तो eyes छोटी लगती है काजल वगैरह लगाने से भी. So to open up the eyes we need a white kajal. So now I'm gonna use this lash curler. And for mascara I'm gonna use this Mars mascara. So now I'm gonna use the same palette and first I'm gonna take this blush and I'm just gonna dust it on my face. And at last for highlighter I'm again gonna use the same palette. And for my lips I'm gonna go with this Turkish rose lip shade from Nicka K. And this is the lip shade. And that's it. And this is a very simple everyday sort of a look that you can wear if you wear glasses. So yeah, this is the finished look. This is a very simple, beginners friendly tutorial if you wear glasses, and SAB, it's a very basic look. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like these kind of videos, do let me know in the comment section below. And for more such videos, stay tuned. Bye.